Hi there, I'm a beautiful Chesapeake Bay Retriever named Annie, and I love to swim. Watch my videos, because I'm really cute. Sometimes I can't find the stick I'm looking for, but I keep looking no matter what. Sometimes if another stick gets thrown for me, I feel happier if I can get that one too, because then I did my job. Oh, there's a stick I can get. Then I'll be happy. I'll have something to bring back to shore. Okay. It's a good thing I'm a powerful swimmer. And I love to get my ball. Sometimes I even have to climb over logs to get there. But it's okay. It's okay. I'll get there.